Anshul Chavan, thank you so much for joining me on E-Times. How I made it. How have you been? What's happening in your life?
Thank you so much. I've been doing good. Right now, nothing is happening. Quarantine is on. Lockdown 2.0.
Yeah, exactly. But unfortunately so. Let's rewind, Anshul. Let's rewind to the day when you told your parents that you want to become an actor. What was their first reaction?
There was never a day where I told them that, I want to be an actor. It was a gradual process. The whole journey, matlab dheere dheere, bit by bit, it happened. So I am from Noida. Post my 12th boards, I didn't know what to do, basically. I had non-medical. I didn't want to be an engineer because mujhse physics nahi solve hoti thi. So while I was in 11th and 12th, I realized that I don't want to be an engineer. So I thought that I'll do English honors. So one fine day in Hindustan Times, I read an article which said that there's something called ECA quota to get into Delhi University. ECA is extracurricular activities, 5% of it. So I used to take part in all the activities in school, although my parents always used to say mat lo part, to an extent that, they used to go meet the principal, me and my brother, my mother and my brother, and they used to meet the principal and tell her, कि नहीं, इसको part mat lene dena. Why? Because they're not educated, my parents. So they thought, कि education say ही you can become successful. That is the only thing. So these extracurricular things, they never used to understand this whole concept. So होता है ना कि जो चीज उनको नहीं मिली है पेरेंट्स को, they would want कि ये गलती ना करें, क्योंकि उनके circumstances अलग रहे होंगे. They provided, they tried and everything, tried to provide everything, best of the things. तो वो उनका perception था. और मेरे मम्मी पापा को for some reason ये लगता था कि मैं एक साथ दो चीजें नहीं संभाल सकती. I don't know why. So they used to think कि ये activities और ये साथ में पढ़ाई नहीं करेगी. And I was a bright kid till 11th when physics happened. So when I read the article, I told my mother कि ऐसे ऐसे ये है, और मेरे पास कुछ 50 सर्टिफिकेट थी स्कूल लेवल के, इंटर स्कूल लेवल, ऐसा वेरियस एक्टिविटीज. मम्मी ने बोला ठीक है, ट्राई कर लो. But my father was not really keen because they don't understand all of it. So और मैं दिल्ली कभी अकेले ट्रैवल किया ही नहीं था. मतलब मुझे बर्थडे पार्टीज तक में अलाउड नहीं था. घर पे गर्ल्स के भी फोन्स नहीं अलाउड थे. So अब कोई तो अलाउ नहीं कर रहा है. My brother was in a boarding school और I don't know where he was that time. So वो भी नहीं था कि वो मेरे साथ जाके फॉर्म्स फिल करते, because obviously उसके लिए तुम्हें फॉर्म्स भरने पड़ते हैं अलग अलग कॉलेजेस में.
तो फिर उनको कब पता चला, मॉम और डैड को, कि आप ग्लैमर इंडस्ट्री में जा चुके हो?
As I said कि gradually all these things happened. तो जब मैं कॉलेज में थी, थिएटर तो कर ही रही थी, तो एटलीस्ट वाकिफ हो गए थे इस चीज से कि एक्टिंग करके भी कुछ होता है. फिर उसके बाद मैं सूरत शिफ्ट हुई because I wanted to figure out, मुझे एक्टिंग में नहीं जाना था because I didn't know a thing about it, neither my parents knew about it. सूरत में फैशन क्या बोलते हैं, फैशन रिलेटेड एक कोर्स था, वो कर रही थी because I wanted to do costume designing. For that I wanted to move to Bombay and I did. So बॉम्बे में जब आई तो मेरे सीनियर्स किरोड़ीमल कॉलेज से थे, उन्होंने ऑडिशंस के बारे में बताया, मैंने दिए, और पेरेंट्स को ये नहीं बता रही थी कि ऑडिशंस दे रही. 2 महीने के अंदर मुझे एक एड मिल गया था, लाइक अ गुड टीवी कमर्शियल. तो जब मिला तभी मैंने उनको बताया कि ऐसे ऐसे मुझे एक टीवी कमर्शियल मिल गया है. तो उनको पता ही नहीं था कि मैं ऑडिशंस दे रही हूँ. सो बेसिकली उनको एक थाली पे प्रेजेंट कर दिया था, देखो ये रिजल्ट है. पीछे का जो पूरा हार्ड वर्क था वो नहीं बताया.
So Anshul, what would you describe as the turning point of your career? I mean, something that, okay, now people started recognizing you, that this is Anshul Chavan.
Sir, I think अभी तक वो नहीं हुआ है. I don't think it has happened, honestly. Something that I'm doing right now, a project that I'm a part of, maybe after that people will realize, more people. But recently शायद छोटे लेवल पे मैंने एक एड किया था फेसबुक के लिए, पूजा दीदी करके था. सो वो बहुत वायरल गया था. सो शायद उसकी वजह से मुझे कुछ मैसेजेस भी आए थे फ्रॉम द पीपल इन द इंडस्ट्री. दे काइंड ऑफ अप्रिशिएटेड, बट ऐसा I don't know. I don't think that has come yet.
Okay, so the project which you are doing now means, what are you referring to?
I don't know if I'm allowed to say it or not. It's a film that I'm doing right now.
Oh wow,
So I'm doing this film called Tejas. RSVP is producing it with
lovely.
Kangana Ranaut.
Okay, okay. With Kangana and that Tejas. Okay, Ronnie Screwball is producing it.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a nice one. So, what difference do you notice when you do a web series or a TV show, or and when you're doing films, your approach has changed towards the camera?
Towards the camera, no. But the way of shooting, aapka prep, everything is, it's very different because web series में we have limited resources. क्योंकि हमारे पास शूटिंग आवर्स कम है और एक लिमिटेड टाइम पीरियड में हमको नंबर ऑफ एपिसोड्स फिनिश करने हैं. Films में you can still do like 1 or 2 scenes in a day, so you have longer time to be prepared and prepare, और थोड़ा at ease you can be there on a film set, I believe. और वेब शो पे थोड़ा सा ज्यादा करना पड़ता है. ऑल्सो द काइंड ऑफ वेब शोज दैट आई हैव डन, थोड़ा सा भार तुम्हारे शोल्डर पे ही होता है, सो यू आर मोर you feel more responsible.
I want to ask you that you've done web shows. So in the web space, how much comfortable you are? Because web space में आजकल it's become almost like an integral part that you have to do a love making scene, do a kissing scene, or maybe even abuse. So in that frame, are you comfortable doing that stuff?
No, I'm not.
So
there's no other answer about there's no other way to it.
So have you received such offers and said no to it because of this reason?
Yes, I have. जो शो के बारे में साइनॉप्सिस वगैरह देते हैं, सो जैसे ही मुझे पता लगता है ये सब, आई टेक अ स्टेप बैक बिकॉज आई थिंक समटाइम मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स इट इज बीइंग जो वेब स्पेस में आपको बोलते हैं, मतलब दे टेकिंग इट फॉर ग्रांटेड, आई बिलीव. इवन व्हेन यू डोंट नीड इट, पीपल आर पुटिंग इट जस्ट for the heck of it, I believe. So I think it can be avoided, but just I don't know for what reasons people are pursuing with those things. So I've said no. And अगर बहुत जरूरी होता है, मतलब I don't know, I am personally not at all comfortable doing such scenes, तो मैं मना ही कर देती हूँ.
How do you gauge that when you listen to a script? How do you gauge that? आपको कैसे पता चलता है?
So I won't completely say कि मतलब 100% ये reason नहीं है that they put just for the heck of it. Yes, there are scripts, there are stories about which revolve around these concepts, कि कुछ जगह ऐसी होती है, वो एक मतलब एक सोसाइटी ही ऐसी पोर्ट्रे कर रहे हैं उस वेब शो में जहां पर इस तरीके की लैंग्वेज यूज होती है. व्हाट इफ स्टोरी हैज, आई डोंट नो, जहां पे सेक्सुअल अब्यूज, थिंग्स लाइक दैट, वो है तो वो है, उसका वो दिखाना पड़ेगा आपको. ऐसे वाली चीज है, या तो वो स्टोरी ही मत चूज करो आप. I think it's a personal choice, I would say. There are different types of stories. It depends on what you choose. I am personally not comfortable with it, but at the same time, I'm saying that this is not 100% true that, people put it for the heck of it. People are taking advantage of the, freedom that they're getting on web space. That's why unnecessarily cheezein kabhi-kabhar dali jati hain.
Okay. So all are not putting for the heck of it, but some are. You are saying that some are taking misusing this freedom.
जी, मुझे लगता है they figured that they have an audience for it, so they want to take advantage of that.
Correct. But have you refused many shows of such kind, or is it just a few offers?
I think I have like 3-4.
फिर आपको हाइंडसाइट में दुख नहीं होता कि कि वो शो शायद चला भी हो ज्यादा, कोई फेमस हो गया हो?
बिल्कुल भी नहीं होता.
ऐसा बाद में लगता है, अरे यार शायद मैं कर लेती ये शो.
नहीं, कभी नहीं लगता.
Okay. So you're sure of that this is.
I'm very sure of the things that I want to do and I don't want to do. इसलिए मुझे बुरा भी नहीं लगता, क्योंकि वो चाहत में ही नहीं था कभी भी. And I'm also sure about myself and what I'm capable of, the potential that I have. So there is no insecurity about that. That's why I don't feel it.
How many rejections do you face in the auditions? I mean,
many, uncountable.
और फिर how do you take stock of the situation and gather yourself again and leave the disappointment behind? because when you audition, there's a lot of expectation, there's a lot of waiting period that you're waiting for that call and it doesn't happen.
There is, that's true. So कुछ auditions ऐसे मिलते हैं कि when you read the script, you know that, oh, this is a good character, this is a good story, and it is going to be so amazing just to be a part of it, because दिख जाता है that this is a strong character, whatever it is. आप shortlist हो जाते हो, आप मतलब you're kind of like you're so close to it but you miss out. So when it happened for the first time ever in my life, it was a grand project. I thought मेरी life पूरी बदलने वाली है, मेरे parents को भी लगा कि सब बदलने वाला है. बहुत close थी मैं, बहुत सपने, expectations, सब कुछ दिख रहा था मुझे अपने सामने, but it didn't happen. तो फर्स्ट टाइम जो आपका होता है वो बहुत जोर से हिट करता है, so much so that from 1 month I went back home because I wanted to get over it. I wanted to stay away from Bombay. पूरे काम और ये ऑडिशन के कॉल से मुझे दूर रहना था. I just wanted to breathe, honestly, and to just understand that this okay, this is normal, it is part of my job. फिर अब जब चीजें होती हैं तो अब होती हैं तो बुरा लगता है, obviously. एक दिन के लिए बुरा लगता है. Sometimes I even cry it out with my friends and family. I rant a little, but the other morning I'm more pumped. So this is also there. जब हो जाता है ना, निकल जाता है, then I'm like, okay, I'll be better next time. And if I've been rejected, those people will sometime call me later that why did we let go of you? So yeah.
Fine. So what's the road ahead? I mean, have you started appointing managers? Have you started appointing people who should look out for work for you? Or do you call up filmmakers and TV show makers or web series makers to ask that, okay, I want to work with you?
So I already have a management, so they guide me through whatever I'm doing right now, and what the game plan, what should be good for me and what should be, they just guide me through everything. But काम की जहाँ तक बात है, I don't go to filmmakers and ask for work, honestly. But जितना 5 साल, ये 6 साल में जितना काम किया है मैंने, one thing that I've realized is work gets you work. So वो जो एक काम किया है ना, उसमें से एक काम से आपको 5 लोग जानते हैं, दूसरे से फिर 10, it keeps on increasing.
Yeah.
So अभी I've been, thankfully, since last year, I've been receiving good auditions, at least, for good characters, bigger characters. So wo ho raha, I'm getting shortlisted, I'm getting the parts also. I think step by step it will happen. So अब जब ये फिल्म आएगी शायद उसके बाद से चीजें बदले. People will see that I'm capable of doing those things also, not just smaller character roles, but good, stronger roles as well.
Well, with that, Anshul, I wish you all the best, and thank you for
sir.
joining me on E-Times. And a
Thank
big
you.
thank you to you from the entire team of E-Times here.